all the time.
Yeah, you'd think it'd be the same colour as the bloody Ford blue, wouldn't you? Shit.
That wasn't nice what he said.
What?
If you guys pointing to the other team. They might have been ribbing him.
See the way he jammed that water bottle back to the bloke that was carrying the water bottle? Yeah. Pigs. They're all pigs, football players. Especially them bloody Parramatta players.
Yeah. That's a little girl. Good girl.
When Eddie and I went to the pub down at, where was it?
Richie Proof?
Yeah, I think it was Witchy Proof. And we went down there one time and Eddie introduced me to a few of the blokes and then they said, oh, you come from up New South Wales, do you? Oh, that's where they play that game where they hug each other all the time.